Okay, you ready, Jake? We're going to read a story. It's called That's Not My Puppy. That's not my puppy. Its coat is too hairy. Can I touch it? Oh, yeah, it's so hairy. That's not my puppy. Its tail is too fuzzy. Where's his tail? There it is. So fuzzy. Where's the mouse? There it is. That's not my puppy. Its paws are too bumpy.
Hi.
Where's his paws? There it is.
So this is the puppy that has paws.
That's not my puppy. Its collar is too shiny. Where's his collar?
His collar is too shiny.
Do you like his collar, Jake?
I guess. You're so cute, Jake. Hi.
Okay, that's not my puppy. Its ears are too shaggy.
His ears are really shaggy because it's really...
Hairy, huh?
Yeah, it's very hairy.
I have all three of them here now. That's my puppy. Its nose is so squashy.
It's a little squashy, but it's very squishy.
Squishy and squashy.
How about his bone?
You like his bone? What color is his bone?
So that's the end. And today we